Hello and welcome to the session. Employee Relations LO3 apply negotiation skills to workplace disputes for effective conflict management approaches. Are you equipped to handle workplace disputes effectively? In this video, we explore negotiation skills essential for resolving conflicts. Discover how these skills foster a harmonious work environment. Conflict in the workplace can arise from various sources. It may be individual or collective. The psychological contract plays a role in relational conflicts. Breaches of contractual terms can escalate disputes. Understanding these aspects is key to managing conflict effectively. Mediation and negotiation are vital tools for conflict resolution. Communication skills are essential in negotiations. Interpreting verbal and nonverbal cues is crucial. Presenting arguments and justifying positions are part of the process. Knowing when to change your stance is a discretionary skill. Preparation is the first step in negotiation. Gather relevant information and identify interests. Engage in constructive dialogue during negotiation. Offer and receive concessions to reach agreements. Ensure agreements are documented and enforceable. Let's look at a real-world example of successful negotiation. A workplace conflict was resolved through effective negotiation skills. Communication and empathy played crucial roles. The result was a win-win outcome for all parties. This illustrates the power of negotiation in conflict resolution. Effective negotiation reduces workplace tension. It preserves relationships among employees. Enhanced problem-solving and creativity are fostered. Win-win outcomes benefit all parties involved. Negotiation skills contribute to a harmonious work environment. Reflecting on negotiation skills is crucial for conflict management. It involves assessing how these skills contribute to resolving disputes. Benefits include open communication and collaboration. Challenges involve balancing assertiveness and cooperation. Handling emotional aspects of conflicts is also important. Real-world examples showcase negotiation and conflict management. Mediation uses negotiation to find common ground. Collective bargaining establishes agreements in labor relations. Individual conflict resolution addresses grievances. Negotiation skills are crucial in each scenario. Analyze how negotiation aligns with best practices. Consider the ethical aspects in conflict resolution. Effective use of negotiation skills fosters positive outcomes. It maintains workplace harmony. Reflection is key to continuous improvement. Understanding disputes is crucial for resolution. Individual disputes involve personal grievances. Collective disputes affect groups within the workplace. Addressing both is essential for harmony. Negotiation skills play a key role in resolving these conflicts. Negotiation aids in handling individual grievances. It balances employee needs with organizational policies. In disciplinary matters, fairness is key. Negotiation ensures just outcomes. Professionalism is maintained throughout the process. Collective bargaining is a negotiation tool in labor relations. It establishes agreements satisfying both parties. Joint consultative committees use negotiation for decision-making. Collaboration between management and employees is key. Negotiation skills ensure successful outcomes. Active listening and empathy are crucial in negotiation. Communication is a common element in dispute resolution. Creative problem-solving finds common ground. Ensuring sustainable outcomes is essential. These aspects apply to both individual and collective disputes. Real-world examples highlight negotiation's effectiveness. Skills like active listening and empathy are crucial. Creative problem-solving leads to successful resolutions. Negotiation fosters collaboration and satisfaction. These case studies illustrate practical applications. Effective negotiation skills create a positive work environment. They foster collaboration and employee satisfaction. Open communication is encouraged. Creativity and problem solving is supported. Win-win outcomes are achieved. Evaluating personal performance is vital for growth. It involves recognizing strengths and areas for improvement. Self-assessment is key to continuous development. Feedback from others provides external perspectives. Performance metrics offer quantifiable insights. Self-reflection encourages introspection and self-awareness. Feedback from peers and supervisors is valuable. Performance metrics assess progress through data. These methods provide a comprehensive evaluation. They guide personal and professional development. Recognizing strengths involves assessing accomplishments. Positive feedback from others is valuable. Consistency in successful tasks highlights strengths. Acknowledging these aspects fosters confidence. It guides personal and professional growth. Pinpoint areas needing growth through analysis. Consider weaknesses and recurring challenges. Feedback and performance metrics guide improvement. Identifying these areas is crucial for development. It informs personal development plans. A professional's self-evaluation led to growth. They utilized feedback effectively. Self-assessment informed their development plans. SMART goals were set for improvement. This case illustrates the power of self-evaluation. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals. These guide personal development. Feedback and self-assessment inform these plans. Continuous evaluation fosters growth. A structured plan ensures progress. In conclusion, the effective application of negotiation skills is essential for managing workplace disputes and achieving positive conflict resolution outcomes. Skills such as active listening, clear communication, empathy, and problem-solving enable parties to understand differing perspectives and work towards mutually acceptable solutions. Applying structured negotiation approaches helps reduce tension, prevent escalation, and maintain professional working relationships. Effective conflict management not only resolves disputes efficiently, but also contributes to a more cooperative, respectful, and productive workplace environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.